fuck you looking at, Ray?
You know, I knew this, that, you seem, mighty fresh. What y'all want to be, a new couple or something?
Kiss my ass, Ray. Okay? Mr. Wilson just an old man that likes to talk. That's all that is, Ray. That's all that is.
You don't like to talk. I don't like to talk to you.
What you want to talk about? Huh? What you want to talk?
Nigga, I don't want to talk about it.
I ain't working on this man, Ray.
I know. I know you.
What I got for Ray? You tell me.
You lost so damn long, Ray. I don't want you to believe. I don't care what you believe. I don't care what you believe yet. I know you got something up to you.
If they ever stay up arguing with you all night, you cut into my sleeping time. Kiss my ass and good night.
Go to sleep, that's all. And I hope it's a long one.
Yes.
I ain't talking to me good.
Good night.